What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. If you watched the last video, you know my keys are locked inside of the car. Luckily, I am a locksmith and I have tools that I don't need to, you know, damage the pillar or anything. I'm essentially just going to pick the lock right now with this tool right here. It's called the leash you pick. So let's get going. So essentially what I'm doing in this situation is recreating the key. Not that I wanted to do this, but I guess it makes sense. There it is. Car is open. And my keys. Thank God. Alright guys, so luckily I had tools to gain entry to my own vehicle. Sounds a little ridiculous, I know, but it did happen. My keys were laying right here on the seat. Of course, if it would have happened out of town or something like it generally would, I know in these vehicles you typically can't lock your keys in the vehicle because it has sensors knowing that the key is in the vehicle and it won't allow it to lock. In my case, the battery was off. So somehow, one way or another, the keys got locked inside and was able to regain entry. So hopefully you enjoyed this small and short little video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button and drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on the method that I used to regain entry to my own vehicle. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.
Yeah, boy.